Hey guys, Chris here with Monstrum. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install M-Lok accessories that feature T-nuts onto your rails. I'll be using our F51 compact flashlight as an example. Here's what you'll need: an M-Lok rail, M-Lok compatible accessories and hardware. At Monstrum, we provide all the hardware necessary for a quick and easy installation. If your firearm is loaded, please unload it before continuing the installation. So it's actually really simple to install these M-Lok accessories that feature these T-nuts. First, you insert the bolt side into the accessory, and then you start threading the T-nut onto the end of the bolt. Make sure that the flush side of the T-nut is facing away from the accessory. Thread the T-nut so that there's only around 1 mm left, just enough to fit between your M-Lok rail. Next, align the T-nut with the M-Lok rail slot so that they are parallel, and then insert it in. Now take the provided Allen wrench and tighten the bolt until it is secure. And we are done. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@monstrumtactical.com. Also, I'd like to know if you guys found this video helpful and what you guys would like to see in the future, so make sure to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a good one.